Black holes are one of the most fascinating and mysterious phenomena in the universe. Here's some information on what they are, how they form, and their effects on spacetime. What are black holes? A black hole is a region of space with an extremely strong gravitational field that not even light can escape. This happens when a massive star collapses in on itself, creating a singularity at its center. The singularity is an infinitely dense point in spacetime, surrounded by an event horizon, the point of no return beyond which nothing can escape the black hole's gravity. How do black holes form? Black holes form from the remnants of massive stars that have exhausted their nuclear fuel and can no longer sustain themselves against gravitational collapse. As the star collapses, its core becomes denser and denser until it forms a singularity, surrounded by an event horizon. The mass of the black hole is determined by the mass of the star that formed it. The more mass of the star, the more mass of the resulting black hole. What are the effects of black holes on spacetime? Black holes have a profound effect on the fabric of spacetime. They create a curvature in spacetime that can distort the paths of nearby objects, causing them to be sucked into the black hole. Anything that enters the event horizon is irretrievably lost, as the gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape. Black holes can also emit powerful jets of energy and radiation, created by the extreme conditions near the event horizon. Recent discoveries in black hole research have revealed some surprising insights into these enigmatic objects. For example, scientists have recently observed black holes colliding and merging, creating even more massive black holes. These collisions generate gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of spacetime that can be detected by sensitive instruments on Earth. By studying these gravitational waves, scientists hope to learn more about the properties of black holes and the nature of gravity itself. Another recent discovery in black hole research is the existence of intermediate mass black holes, which have masses between those of stellar black holes and supermassive black holes. These black holes are thought to be formed by the merging of smaller black holes or by the collapse of massive clouds of gas and dust. In conclusion, black holes are fascinating objects that challenge our understanding of the universe. They are formed from the remnants of massive stars and have a profound effect on spacetime. Recent discoveries in black hole research are shedding new light on these enigmatic objects and their role in the cosmos.